Hello students, today I will tell you how we can calculate the shortest distance of a point from reference line when its solution is given, means projection of point is given, means whatever the position of front view and top view of a point with reference line is given, and you have to solve or calculate the shortest distance of that point reference line. So one thing I want to remind you that in initial lecture I have told you that this is vertical plane, this is horizontal plane, and when the point is somewhere here P, its front view will be somewhere here P dash, top view will be somewhere P, and suppose it is 25 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP, and when we draw this projection we have to make it on a paper. So for that we rotate it horizontal plane clockwise direction, and because of that rotation the top view comes below the XY line. This is the XY line. So top view comes below the XY line, front view remain at the same place. So we got the P dash somewhere here, and P, it is distance 30, this one is 25. So finally we got solution like this: XY line, one projector line, this one is P dash at distance of 25, this one is P at distance of 30. This is the solution. So what is the shortest distance? Shortest distance is the distance of this point P from the XY line. Suppose we complete this rectangle or square from the P, it is the shortest distance. Suppose this point is O. OP is the shortest distance. So what we are to do to calculate the OP? We have to complete this square or rectangle, and then diagonal of this rectangle will be the shortest distance. So in our solution we have rotated the horizontal plane, and because of this rotation the P comes down from the XY line. So to find the solution for the shortest distance, we are to rotate the top view in opposite direction. Opposite direction means HP we have rotated in the clockwise direction, so top view we have to rotate in opposite anti-clockwise direction, and complete the rectangle and find the diagonal, you will get the shortest distance. So what we will do, we rotate the OP taking O as center and OP as radius in anti-clockwise direction. So you got here somewhere P point P1, you can take, you draw a vertical line parallel to this projector line and a horizontal line parallel to XY line, you will get a rectangle, and find the diagonal of this rectangle, you will get the shortest distance. So one thing you are to remember, that you rotate the top view always, not the front view, rotate the top view in anti-clockwise direction and complete the rectangle and draw the diagonal of that rectangle, and diagonal of that rectangle will be the shortest distance. Sometimes the shortest distance and location of one point is there, and you are to find out the position of top view. In that case, problem is like this: the point is 20 mm above HP and shortest distance is 50 mm. Find the position of point with respect to VP. The problem is that the point is 20 mm above HP and shortest distance of the point from reference line is 50. You are to find out the point with respect to distance of point with respect to HP. So what we are to do? You draw the XY line, draw the projector line, We do know that it is 25 mm above HP. It means front view will be 25 mm above HP. It is 20 mm. And now shorter distance is given. It means the diagonal of rectangle is given. Suppose you complete the diagonal of rectangle. Diagonal will be from point O, which cut this line. So you take an arc of 50 mm and take OS center, cut somewhere here, you will get 50 mm because shortest distance is given. So finding this point P, you draw the vertical line, then rotate it clockwise direction, which we do with the horizontal plane, because at this position shortest distance is given and we are to find out the position. So draw the point POP1 in clockwise direction, you will get the top view. So whatever this distance is there, this will be the position of top view with reference to XY, and as we do know that the top view position with reference to XY is similar to the position of point with respect to VP. So if it is in front of VP, suppose it is 35 mm in front of below XY, it means the point will be 35 mm in front of VP. So in this way we can calculate the shorter distance, or we can find out the position of point when shorter distance is given. In any quadrant position you have to do the same thing. Suppose some position, another problem is there. Suppose the projection of point is given and that is in second quadrant. The front view is somewhere here. Suppose A dash, it is 50 mm. Suppose A is somewhere here, it is 30 mm. And you are to find out the shorter distance. It means A dash 25 mm above XY line. It means point is A dash is 50 mm above XY line. The point is 50 mm above HP. Top view is 30 mm above XY line. It means the point is 30 mm behind VP. So to find out the shorter distance, we are to rotate the top view in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise means you take point here in this direction, you rotate the point O like this, you will get A, complete the rectangle and draw the diagonal, you will get the shortest distance. This distance will be the shortest distance. So to find out the shortest distance, one thing you have to remember, you are to rotate the top view in anti-clockwise direction always and complete the rectangle or a square and take the diagonal of that rectangle. That will be the shortest distance. If shortest distance is given, then you have to draw the projection of one position, draw the horizontal line, cut an arc equal to the shortest distance, find the position on that point on XY line, rotate it clockwise direction. That will be the position of point. So this is the end of today's lecture. Now we go for the projection of line that will start in next lecture. Thank you.